So we are in a cafe over here. We got good croissant, chai latte, croissant, whatever you want to say. It's a really big size for how much is it? Oh yeah, do maybe €3, but for €3 it's pretty good. The ambience is also really nice and yeah, waiting for the chai latte. Bro, we are Gujaratis. We cannot live without tea. We need herbal tea and we need herbal tea. We need both kind of teas. Okay.
Now let's see
Yeah.
which kind of tea we
Yeah. Which kind of tea the people are serving over here?
chai latte.
Yeah. The place is really good. We got the card. We got this thing.
Where is the card?
Yeah. I thought this is a business card. No, it's not a puzzle. It's Karte Fitali, means membership card. We are never coming back over here. We are just here for one day trip. And I was just looking in my hand, and she said, "Do you want it?" And I said, "For sure," not knowing what is it. And then she said, Karte.
We bought 4 items.
Yeah.
If you gonna buy 7,
If we buy 2 more,
yeah, we got something free.
yeah. So you need to buy 6 things, and then you get 1 for free. Okay, I mean,
Bro, guys, we are planning to open a cafe.
no. He's just bluffing.
No,
Bro, we need to get a license. We need to get a chef. We need to do a hell lot of things. We need to buy not a. I mean, yeah, it is, but it's pretty difficult. Bro, if I was speaking fluent French, I would have already done all those things like that.
Bro, at the end of the day, you don't need French to work here in France.
Why?
You also know that.
No, you need French for sure. Let's see.
It's okay. Thank you.
Damn, bro, like fucking damn. It's so, the cups are so big. Hopefully my mobile don't fall in the chai. So yeah, it's pretty big. The bill was for around 13 euros. So pretty good. I mean, I like it. Like it's so. I hope it's good. The smell is good. I can smell elaichi. I don't know. What's elaichi in English?
Caramel.
Yeah, I know it starts from C. Yeah. Whatever. Cinnamon. Or it's not cinnamon. I don't know. Elaichi. I can smell the elaichi. And there's a. What? Okay, in French it's called elaichi only for some reason. Cardamom. So, yeah. That's. I mean, I don't want to,
Waste the time.
break the design. No, not waste time. It's not about wasting time. Yeah, take a snap or a photo.
Like we have to wear the cap first because if I wanna drink,
Yeah. Long hair problems.
that's why I always used to carry my cap with me.
Yep.
Le truc, c'est que moi, au début, je croyais, je fais chaque pièce.
You know what? I ordered something from Temu that's gonna help for the recording stuff.
Endroit, je retourne et après j'assemble. Mais si j'avais fait
C'est
ça,
ça.
ça veut dire que c'est perturbant.
Bro, me saying Sisa, like it's
Donc c'est
nothing to me. Like whenever I say something and that's the thing I want to hear, it's like Sisa. Sisa means in Gujarati we say emerge. આપણે કહે ને emerge. હા, ઈ જ. So yeah, that's it. હા, emerge. એટલે for that.
Parce que ça, je me suis dit,
Yeah, I'm gonna break the fucking design and the.
les assembler.
Yeah, bring
Et
it
après, ça
close.
marche pas.
Can you?
Je pouvais plus retourner à
Okay, yeah, because. Ooh la la.
Normalement, ça se fait à la main.
Okay, perfect. I don't really want to melange नहीं करना मेरे को. Means like I don't want to mix it. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Bro, she filled the cup till like like
The end.
yeah, she filled it fully.
Bro, just imagine કેટલું મોટું cup છે.
Yeah, it's
We never get this much of
fucking
cup.
yeah. We never get this cup in
Now I'm gonna show you.
what
I got cappuccino,
in Albania, right?
one cup of muffin,
Mm-hmm.
1 cup of water in just 1.5 years.
Damn.
This much of cup.
Yeah, damn, bro, that's insane.
Yeah.
In India, they have started the the concept of Conso and all the things, but nothing can beat like French. It's good.
Something
try.
it's not like Indian tea, but it's you can smell it. You can smell.
Yeah, I'm
Elaichi.
smelling the elaichi, so we will get the taste of elaichi.
Whoa.
Just drink it from the spoon. Why you? How is it? Good.
Sorry.
Come on, bro. The milk is not good. It's not even milk.
Bro,
It's not milk. It's condensed milk or something else. The milk is not milk.
Sylvie, elle a rien
you're getting this kind of flavor because of the what is it, frappe, like she added the
Oh, yeah. But still,
cream.
yeah, exactly. Maybe. Let me have a better sip. Fuck it, heavy. Fuck it.
Super.
No.
Vas-y, range.
Hurry, it's good.
It's good.
Something new.
Yeah. Something new, it's good.
It's like elaichi doodh.
Yeah, exactly. Like milk and elaichi, exactly.
But we try best.
I mean, they tried to make the Indian tea, but it's okay.
You're right. If they are selling Indian tea, they're gonna write out Indian tea in menu, If it's not an Indian tea,
No, there were like two things, chai latte and dirty chai latte. In dirty chai latte, there were like two shots. So maybe it was like,
too bitter or something like that.
no, it's like strong flavor
yeah.
of elaichi or something. Yeah, that is it. I mean, I'm not gonna record more because it's already 7 minutes and we already have clips of like other 10 minutes. It's already going to be 20-minute vlog or what? You say 30 minutes will be enough?
Vlog, bro, maximum 17 minutes, 1/7.
I'll upload in 2 parts maybe.
But still,
What are you doing, bro? Come on, don't eat it like you are eating roti.
French style.
No, it's not the fucking French style. Don't you dare say that is the fucking French style. French people eat it completely. They don't make pieces and they don't make the fucking noise like. Don't be a kiddo.
Okay. Désolé.
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 Shut the fuck up.
Désolé.
Shut the
Désolé.
बैटरी भाई अब उसकी करो ना तो बाइसेप
Bro, he's a pussy, bro. He cannot walk. The cup is too heavy for him to lift it. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? He could not even climb the stairs without stopping. He stopped like 3 to 4 times while climbing. Be a man, bro. Come on.
I'm human, that's why I feel tired.
So am I not a human then?
You are considering yourself as not a human, you are extraordinary. That's it.
When did I say something like that, bro?
I'm the normal human. That's it.
So am I. I don't have 4 legs.
Là, c'est précisé dans
I
ton
also have
trajet.
2 legs.
Que c'était pas décompté des jours.
You never know.
C'est dit.
What the hell, bro?
Et ça, c'est légal. Hein. À mon avis, ils peuvent pas faire autrement. Le ménage.
Et à Noël, du coup, en plus, ça.
I will eat the first time in a plate and a what do you say?
The croissant is good. Really good. I like it.
Spongy.
Yeah, it's spongy. It's sweet. I like it.
Et là, c'est pas écrit, je crois.
Not that sweet, not that salty.
Chez LMS, ça faisait le
Obviously, it's never be salty.
bureau, mais j'ai le cas des gens.
Yes. When we will ask for butter croissant. Normally it contains butter,
Mm-hmm.
but if it contains more butter, like extra butter, it becomes salty.
Yeah, because butter has salt in it. That's why.
Ça veut pas dire. Ça veut pas dire.
Okay.
If they wanna make soft,
I feel pity for that girl. She's the only one working. Like, she makes the thing and she is the cashier and she is doing everything. And there are a lot of people over here. So,
and cream people.
what?
Cream people.
What kind of people?
Cream is like cream is always on top, you know.
Yeah.
It's not like local people like properly working or students, you know.
I didn't understand.
It's a Surti slang.
I fuck it, bro. He is making me understand Surti slangs. I am a Kathiawadi. Rajkotian. Desi ekdam.
Oui, mais ça, c'est un côté bien.
If the mobile fell because of you, I'm gonna tell your dad to get me a new iPhone, okay?
Okay. That's not a money, that's a problem.
Then if you and your dad have a problem, then that will not be my problem, okay?
Yeah.
Alors attends, maquettiste, c'est il y a une formation. En France aussi, ça existe.
No, the interior is simplified.
No, it's simple and
Est-ce qu'il y a des écoles?
it's
It's good.
good.
It's look like cafe. It's proper one.
It's like value for money place, you know. Totally worth it.
Sometimes the simple thing becomes more extraordinary than the
Yeah, exactly.
extraordinary.
Simplicity is like supremacy. The name is Cafe Puzzle. So if you ever are in Lyon, what?
Yeah, you saw that something?
What?
You don't have like the similar tables. Each and every table are different, you know, like chairs and as well. Still, you can chair. It's like the creativity.
ના બધી ચેર સરખી તો છે.
No, tables for example, are tables,
Yeah, because they are sitting in a corner. Whatever. Whatever.
It's like creative.
I mean, yeah, it's detailed, you can say, or whatever.
Ambience is good.
What?
Ambience.
Ambience, yeah. Possible.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. After learning French, if English word contain R or E, you get me? So I need to revise that what is mine before saying because
Yeah, the French are.
Yeah.
I get it.
I want to talk to you. You know yesterday what happened?
What?
Talking with Kelly,
Yeah.
asking about some rent and all this stuff, you know,
Yeah.
accommodation.
Where does Kelly live? She says she lives
Paris.
in Paris.
Paris. I don't know which area, but yeah, Paris.
Okay.
She was like asking about rent. So I will rent. I'm rent.
Come on, bro.
No, not intentionally, but at first, like, you get me. But I corrected like second time, oh, rent
Okay.
or rent. You get me.
Mhm.
But in like quicker sense, I use rent.
Okay.
Because that word of R, I very try hard to learn it.
What is I very try hard? I try
I tried
very
very hard to learn
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And sometimes after this French, my grammar is fucked up. More fucked up, bro. I will show you my old videos I have. Bro, I'm speaking like in a good grammar. You get me in English.
Yeah.
But when I live with Moroccan people, okay? So when I speak French, I'm learning French. So even if I'm speaking English and starting with Moroccan guy, no, he don't even understand that much of grammar. You get me? Because they don't have the English as a second language. So I need to speak in like bit, like
Yeah,
part,
yeah.
little bit part.
You need to break it down.
Yeah. Obviously, it for my grammar. And after learning French, addition, like get me. That's the thing. Even I will show you my whole video, me talking in English, and you will see like, bro, it's not you. Like, that's me, bro. And you can see the grammar, you can see the like sentence structure.
Bro, don't shake the table. The tripod is in like ICU condition. You know that, right? It's a gift from Mr. Temu.
The gift you have to, you already paid. You know for it. And bro, when I came to France, I learned some code in English, you know.
Okay. I think you need to speak a little bit loud because if the camera is not capturing your voice,
Yeah. Go back to
don't say those words. My family watches this shit.
Some words that I learned here after coming to France is like in English.
C'est une surprise.
It's like you know, in sentence it's like that, you know. And the other sentence is like, you get me or no? I think I learned from you.
My bad habit is I keep saying again and again.
But you know is like okay. But you used to say like, you get me or no? You get me?
No, I never said
You
it.
get me. You get me.
No,
I don't know.
that's not me. My toxic word is like see, I'm just repeating those things. So
You know, so not you get me. So
yeah, you just improvised my words. From you said like you get me or no. Got it.
you know, like even if I'm like presenting, you know, if I'm like presenting
Yeah, I know.
in presentation, bro, I'm asking professor, you get me?
On peut dire
You have to make the professor understand that.
In the orientation, professor asked me like, please express something about your student life in Paris. So I was like, express a little bit about my life and all. And at the end I was like, to professor, you get me? And bro, like what the fuck am I doing, bro? It's not a formal way.
Yeah, I know. That's why.
It's not once, bro. Other, like second time, he asked me some other question and same I did. See that?
You get me? Fucking bro. I don't know, there's something wrong with my throat from like last 2 days. Don't do the fucking thing. Don't do it. It's irritating, bro. Come on. Don't do it. It's not a thing to laugh. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you?
I'll make it clean for you.
Now I cannot even scold him because he's making clips for me. Just when you chew consciously, like keep your lips shut. Exactly. Don't let your lips open up. Yeah, exactly.
Kayak dewa tu lagi, merugi ke baik? Itu dia macam bom dia nasty dia saya.
Réalisé? Non. Entamé? Procédé? Oui.
I saw that the black one first time,
Procédé?
I have seen him before.
but it's good. It's good than white one. It's good. Look, table पर अलग है, plate पर अलग है. That's a creativity, bro. लड़की भी अलग अलग किस्म है.
No, you shut up now. If I am degrading myself, it is because of this guy. This guy is degrading me, bro.
Ça me rassure.
By doing stuff like this. You never saw me doing stuff like this. He does stuff like that, bro.
I have.
I am not a cap guy, but because of him and my other roommate, I start wearing cap. Back in India, I never used to wear a cap, never. And I have a cap in the bag right now, so
It really helps you in raining, you know.
in what?
In rain. While it's raining. So You wanna cover?
Just get a sweater which has a hoodie so that you are protected from the rain. Don't buy this 25-30 euros cheap sweater just for fashion.
Yeah. Fashion comes here.
Yeah, fashion comes here and safety does not exist for him. Come on,
That's
dude.
why I'm in Paris.
Where am I living? In Dharavi? Fuck you, bro.
I live with her. મને બહુ સારું લાગતું છે લઈ લઉં મેં
શું?
એટલે જો મારો કપડાં જ મેચ થાય છે મોડા છે તો નહીં થતું
Bro wants to steal a tissue paper.
ગરીબી પીક
છોકરી તો ખરી ગમે એ કીધું છે કે નહીં? કાર્ડ વેફર કાર્ડ વેફર એ મીઠું નથી ખાવું યાર.
પછી ગાડી બેસી ના જાય
બેસી એટલે what's the time?
10-19
10:19, okay. No, you research where are we going next? Because after this we are not going to the Mumbai cafe.
No, after like
Like
after
2 or 3, not now.
12. After 12.
2 or 3. We are having breakfast at 10:15 and he wants to have lunch in the afternoon 12.
Just because I'm Surti.
Bro, just shut up, man. Back when I was in India, I used to have my lunch at like 3 p.m. Yeah.
I will show you the schedule of Surti food, you know. Like Surti.
I don't want to hear this.
Just
Thank you. No, thank you. These Surtis are one crazy of,
In food, right? In food, yeah.
just, summarize it.
Morning. Like I will say of weekend, okay, because weekend is like common for every Surti.
Mm-hmm.
For weekend, morning, eat tea and something.
We wake up in the 8 in the morning on weekend.
Sunday. Or in India, there is only Sunday as a weekend because Saturday.
Yeah, but still, at 8.
Surti.
No, bro. I used to wake up at 10 or 11 on Sundays. Like, just sleep as much as I can.
8, wake up at 8 morning, have a cup of coffee or tea. Not a coffee, mostly tea. 95% used to tea, drink tea, okay. Then at 10,
Shut up. You and green tea.
no, 95% of us used to drink like normal tea, not a coffee.
I thought you said green tea. I was like, when did Shruti started drinking tea?
No. At 8 tea, okay. 9:30 or 10, aloo puri or khalsa
Okay.
or jalebi khapda or not jalebi khapda that much, but khaman.
Okay, yeah.
You know khaman.
Yeah.
More than khaman, locho.
Okay.
Every week, like every Sunday, you can say.
Yeah.
At 10, max to max 10. Before 10, you get before 10. Then at 12 or 12:30, max to max 1, lunch.
No
Get-
way.
And
Like,
in lunch.
heavy breakfast at 10:30 and then lunch at 1.
C'est clair que c'est un
Listen,
argument.
and if the family eats non-veg, they're gonna eat like biryani, compulsory. If the family eating some veg, so they're gonna make some like good variety in vegetarian food, you get me? But they're gonna eat at 12:31 max to max 2.
I don't buy that shit. I don't buy it.
What?
I don't believe you. Bro, nobody in their right mind. Maybe it's just your family or
No.
something.
Common, bro. I'm saying about
No,
common Gujarat.
I will ask my roommate. He is Shruti. I'll ask him.
Okay.
No way. Like you have a heavy lunch at 10:30, and then again you have heavy breakfast at 10:30,
Yeah.
and then a heavy lunch again at 1 in the afternoon, in just 4 hours or something.
Yeah.
That's insane. And you guys do nothing, right?
Before 2, yeah.
And you guys do nothing between the breakfast and the lunch. Just sit at home, watch TV, or do some shit.
No, we roaming around with our friends. Like,
Yeah, but still, You are not doing anything physical, right?
No.
Damn.
Bro, before 2, we had already had lunch. At 3:30 or 4 p.m., we're gonna have tea
Okay.
with biscuits.
Understand.
Okay.
Understood.
Then we will go out for on Sunday, right? On Sunday we go out for roaming here and there. 7:38, we gonna have some what do you say? Snacks.
Okay.
And on before 10, or you can say between 9 or 11, we gonna have our dinner. So that's our routine. Like this much of food we eat in a day of Sunday. And I think it's quite less that I'm telling. Because on Sunday normally we don't have particularly lunch, we don't have particularly dinner. We eat all day, like after 2 hours, 1 hour, you get me?
Ouais, sauf que toi, quand tu as une chambre de conduite dans Lausanne, c'est peut-être pas
That's the thing. And bro, lunch, sorry, not lunch, the breakfast of house are good.
c'est pas évident.
One plate it costs 20 rupees. And if shoot is going with for having breakfast, bro, you know how much they spend on the alupuri? 200, 300.
Understandable. Even if I go for like just pani puri snack or dinner in the late evening, like say 7:30ish, I'll have like 6 plates at least because I am a fucking skinny guy, but I eat a hell lot of food and still I don't get weight.
Pourvu qu'elle ait bien compris qu'il en faut.
So yeah,
But now I adapted the French cuisine.
shut up.
You know that, right?
Yeah, I know everything, bro. He has zero spice tolerance. Even normal thepla, okay, the theplas I made were spicy without any sabzi, without any chutney or anything, ketchup or anything, pickle or anything. Just the normal thepla were too spicy for him to eat.
Yeah, because you already added the garam masala.
No, bro. There, it's just not possible. You cannot add garam masala in a thing without oil.
So it's made up without oil. Thepla.
ઘીમાં બને
Okay.
જેમાં વઘાર કરવાનો હોય ને એમાં ગરમ મસાલો પડે મારા ભાઈ.
But I think you already added the green chili, you know, maybe.
ગ્રીન ચીલી નો એકલી મરચાની ભૂકી હતી. Let's go. So yeah, that will be it.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
You want to say something
No.
to the dear audience?
So we are not dear.
Come on, bro. You cannot say stuff like that to my audience. They are my dear audience. So yeah, we are done with the what?
And yours, Sallu?
What Sallu bhai?
If you know your
What Sallu
dear
bhai?
audience,
Who said?
you said this is my dear audience.
Yeah. And how is it related with Sallu bhai?
You never know. If you know, you know. It's like that.
No, I don't know. First check where we going. See, this boy stuff that nobody else will understand. Where we going next? Old Town. We are here. Walk down the cobblestone street of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. No, we don't want to walk. What's next? Discover the troubled hidden passageways and visit. We already visited the Sonji Cathedral and the Gothic.
It's this one.
This one?
Yeah, it was closed when we came.
Oh yeah, I remember it.
So it's a nearest one. We can go there first.
Yeah.
And
Then what's after that? Then lunch.
lunch. Oh, like
Come on, bro. You already had a croissant and a full cup of chai latte. Go down. Afternoon. Press what? Pascal. The heart of Lyon between the Rhone and Saône River. Okay. Okay.
It's near, bro. It's all near.
Okay. It's near the river.
Bro, then why we just bought 7?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. We bought this for like 7. Bro, 7 euros is nothing, to be honest.
It's like a memory.
Whatever, yeah, you can say memory. I am a careless guy. Maybe I'll just throw over or put it somewhere and then don't remember for the rest of my life. What is that? A walk to place the Thiru, home to the impressive fountain of Bartholodi and Lyon City Hall, okay. Musée de Confluence, located at the southern tip of the crystal. Okay, we need to first visit the cathedral, which is right in front of us. Then again eat food because this motherfucker is hangry. He's not hungry. He's hangry. Musée de Confluence. Okay, exactly.
ও 10:30 বাজে খুলছে
It's in 2 minutes. 10:30 means.
বহু দূর যাওয়া you can take tram, that's it.
Okay.
You can use it, yeah.
Okay.
પહેલા આપણે અહીં રહીએ પછી અહીંયા.
Yeah, we first gonna visit this thing. I'm actually gonna upload this raw without any cuts. It's exactly 30 minutes, not seconds. So see you guys. Bye bye. Have fun. Au revoir. À bientôt. Et tout à l'heure. I said I don't want it.
કેમ?
I don't want it, bro. I'm done.